Welcome to the One for All gift card guide for in-store use in Canada. This comprehensive tutorial will walk you through the process of using your One for All gift card in store, step by step. First, ensure you have a valid One for All gift card with sufficient funds to make a purchase. You can check your balance online or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. When you are ready to make a purchase, present your One for All gift card to the cashier at the participating retailer. Inform them that you would like to pay with your One for All gift card. The cashier will then swipe the card and enter the amount of the purchase. You will be asked to sign a receipt to confirm the transaction. Make sure to review the receipt carefully to ensure the correct amount has been deducted from your card. If the purchase amount exceeds the balance on your card, you can use a secondary payment method to pay the remaining amount. This can be a credit card, debit card, or cash. It is essential to note that not all retailers accept One for All gift cards, so it is crucial to check with the retailer before making a purchase. You can find a list of participating retailers on the One for All website. To get the most out of your One for All gift card, consider the following best practices. Always keep your card safe and secure to avoid loss or theft. Regularly check your balance to stay on top of your spending. Be aware of any fees associated with your card, such as dormancy fees or replacement fees. In the event that your card is lost or stolen, contact the customer service number on the back of the card immediately to report the incident. They will guide you through the process of obtaining a replacement card. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can enjoy a seamless and hassle-free shopping experience with your One for All gift card in store. In Canada, remember to always review the terms and conditions of your card to ensure you understand the rules and regulations surrounding its use.